How do you love your coffee? In today's episode, I'll show you how I love my coffee, and it's quite a simple recipe. So with me here I have my ingredients, and I only need some coffee and some warm water. And without further ado, let's get started. So as I've mentioned, I like my coffee black, no sugar, no cream, and I'll start by adding in my coffee. And please make sure if you're going to have no sugar, no cream, you're having a very good quality coffee. Then I'll add in my water. And just like that, my coffee is ready. So this is how I love enjoying my coffee. This is so good. I find this best to kickstart your busy morning, and I hope you're going to try it my way. And also let me know, how do you love your coffee? As for me, I like it black, no sugar, no cream, no milk. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.